Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to increase the maximum upload file size for your website. Log into your WordPress admin panel. I am already here. From the dashboard, go to media and click on add now. Here you will see current maximum upload file size limit. I can see here it is set to 2 MB, which is quite small. To increase this limit, we have a few different methods. I will walk you through the best one. We can add custom code to the htaccess file. To access this file, we have to log in to cpanel. I have already opened it. Now we need to find the file manager. Here is the file manager. Now open it. You know that all the files are in the public_HTML directory. Let's open it. Now we have to find the htaccess file. We can't see the file here. If you don't see the file, that means it is hidden. Let's show it. Open settings and select show hidden files option. Then save it. Now you can see the file. We have to open the file for editing. I have some text we need to add here. Before editing the text, I will write a comment line. Now paste the text here. Perfect, save it. Let's reload the page. Yes, our file upload size has increased from 2 MB to 128 MB. Now let's see how we can change the file limit on localhost. First we need to run the server. I am running the server now. As before, go to the dashboard. Then to media and click on add now. Here we will see the current maximum upload file size limit. It is set to 40 MB, which is quite small. Now we will change the file limit. It is very simple. Open your gem folder, then htdocs folder. Here is my website name, my store. I am going to open it. We can see the htaccess file here. Let's open it. I am opening it in Visual Studio Code. You can use any code editor. Now I will add the same code we added to our live server earlier. I am doing the same thing. So now save it and let's see if it is working. It is working perfectly. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any question or run into any issues, leave a comment below. I will do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.